everybody, my name is Miss Beth. I'm at the Livonia Public Library in the Civic Center branch. Today we're making beaded bracelets on stretchy string. They don't need a clasp because they just go on and off your hand by stretching. It's very easy. Okay, so first of all, you're going to be getting a bag when you make an appointment to pick up your crafts. You can make an appointment starting September 28th. In the bag are all the supplies you need. Let's see what's inside. This is your bag. You have an instruction sheet. It tells you everything I'm going to be saying today. You get a little plate, and you get a bag with little beads and a stretchy string. Now everybody is going to have different beads, and that's the fun. You don't know what you're going to be getting. We have some that are blue, like the one I have on now. We have some that are red, white, and blue and patriotic. We have some that are shiny, and we have lots of other kinds, like this. Now, the first step is either tie a knot in the end of your string or tape it to your plate. Do you know the reason why? So your beads don't go flying all over the room when you're loading up the string with the parts. Look, I already did it right here. Here's the tape that's attaching the string to the plate, and I just go through my beads and stack them till I have a pattern that I like. Now, you might ask, how long should the bracelet be? Well, everybody's wrist is different. So you take your arm and you lay it along the pieces until they come together. Now, some people might need to add some more beads, and some might have to take off some beads, because if it's too long, it will droop, and it might catch on things when you're moving your hands around during the day. If it's too tight, it's going to make a little red mark on your arm and cut off circulation. So you want it just right, just a little bit loose, and it's going to go on and off very easily. Now, once you have the right length, you're going to take the two pieces of string and tie them together. Now, this is the normal knot that you would use on tying up your shoelaces, so it's nothing fancy. It's just going over, under, over, under. The tricky thing is, because the stretchy string is very slippery, you don't just tie one knot, you tie 5 or 6 knots. And you're going to be very, very tightly knotting them all the way down to where the beads are. Watch. I just looped it up and over, and see, I'm tying it all the way down to this part right here. Okay? That's the first knot. Now I knew the next one, and I know it's slippery. Look, that's the second knot. Now it's the third knot. Now it's the fourth knot. You can do as many knots as you want. Because this string is so thin, you won't be able to see it with the beads. All right, now I have all my knots done. I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut, not too close to that knot. Now, I can take those little bits and just throw them away. Now I can take the bracelet and put it right over my hand. Look, you can have different kinds of stretchy string beaded bracelets. It's easy. All you have to do is call the library starting September 28th, 734-466-2493 for the children's desk, and say, I'd like to have one of the beaded bracelet craft bags. And we'll set up a time for you to come and get your bag. Thank you.